Hi, my name is Eric Watson. I'm with Priority Rental, and today we're going to be installing a 1.5-ton water-cooled air conditioner into a commercial kitchen. As you all know, the kitchen is the heart of every restaurant, and keeping it cool is essential to all the employees and patrons during the summer months. Often restaurant kitchens don't have windows for traditional window air conditioners or for ductwork, so water-cooled ACs are a perfect solution because they don't require ductwork or a window. All you need is a 115-volt outlet and a water source, something every single commercial kitchen has. Now, let's get to the install. The first step is to put the unit in place. We pick a spot that won't slow down your employees. You'll need a 115-volt outlet nearby, a water source, and a drain. Next, we hook up the hoses to the water source and the drain. It's two hoses, cold water in the machine and hot water out. We're literally pushing the heat down the drain. Next, we turn the water on, plug the AC in, and turn the unit on. That's it. At the end of the night, simply turn off the unit and turn off the water to reduce water consumption. Priority Rental offers this same-day service to commercial kitchens from New York City to Washington, D.C. Give us a call, we're happy to help.